Hi, and welcome to Section 5, Creating a REST API. In this section, we're going to learn how to create a REST controller from scratch, how to work with different HTTP request methods, how to create endpoints for sending, receiving, updating, and deleting data, how to use Postman, which is a tool for manual testing of our REST endpoints, and how to test our REST endpoints with Spring MVC Test Framework. Introduction to creating REST APIs with Spring. In this video, we're going to learn what a REST API is, which different HTTP request methods are used in REST APIs, and which tools we can use for manually testing REST APIs. First, let's start off with the definition of REST. REST stands for Representational State Transfer, and it is basically a way for distributed systems to communicate with each other. And this communication usually involves a server and a client that exchange data. A very important characteristic of REST APIs is that it is stateless, which means that each request made by a client contains all the required information for the server to properly respond. Because of that fact, REST APIs are highly scalable, but the high scalability comes at a price of slightly reduced performance. In REST APIs, there are many different HTTP request methods available, and the most important of which can be seen here. So first we have the HTTP GET method, which basically is used whenever we want to request data from the server. Then there is POST, which is used for sending data to the server, for example in JSON format. Then there is PUT or patch, which is used for changing or updating data on the server. And delete is used for deleting data from the server. There are some more request methods which we are not going to cover in this video, but we are going to be fine using the ones mentioned here. Whenever we want to manually test our REST endpoints that we created, there are a variety of tools available, one of which is Postman, which is a very powerful tool for that purpose, and it can be used for manually testing your REST API endpoints. So I suggest you download this tool because we're going to use it in the next videos for manually testing our endpoints, and the website can be seen here. Let's visit it real quick. So this is the Postman website, and as you can see here, you can just click the download button here, download Postman and install it, and get ready for using it in our next video.